All things flourish, but each returns to its root. Lao Tzu. Knowledge is learning something new every day. Wisdom is letting go of something every day. Gautama Buddha. Lao Tzu and Gautama Buddha are pointing out that everything flourishes, even ignorance and evil, especially among those who cannot or will not let go of where they are to embrace a better way, and they become tangled in the roots of their problems. Yeshua tells a simple story about this. A farmer sows seed in a field. Some seed falls on the paths, and the birds quickly eat it. Some seed falls where there are rocks and not much soil. Plants grow quickly, but soon the sun dries them. There is not enough soil, and the plants die. Some seed begins to grow in a place where there are too many weeds. The weeds stop the growth of the plants, and the plants die. But other seed falls on good ground, so the plants grow well. The farmer has a harvest from these plants. What happens to the seed is different in different places. It is the same with the good news about the spiritual realm Yeshua called the kingdom of God. It has a good result in the lives of some people, and it has a poor result in others' lives. The first seed fell on the path where there was no soil. Some people hear the good news, but give no attention to it at all. This is like the seed on the path. These people do not change their behavior. They are selfish and do not think about other people. They quickly forget about the good news. Some seed falls where there are rocks. It grows quickly, but then it dies. This teaches us that some people listen to the good news, and they seem to like what they hear. But this does not last. They have a difficult time, or other people laugh at them. They lose interest in the message because they never really trusted it. Some seed began to grow among weeds, and the weeds killed it. This teaches us that some people have no time for any spiritual realities. They are selfish, and they want everything for themselves. Perhaps they want to be rich or to be powerful. They worry all the time, and they are anxious about their worldly possessions. Finally, we hear in the story about seed that lands on good ground, ground that is like people who understand the message, and to whom the kingdom is revealed. They believe the message, and they trust that they will be blessed. A great spirit helps them to love other people, and they will be able to forgive other people and to live in peace with them. This is because they allow God to change them, and He changes the inside of these people, and this changes their behavior. And they reap a joyful harvest beyond their wildest dreams. Yeshua's teaching in this famous parable is that in spite of them falling so often on deaf ears, we must continue to spread the messages of spiritual realities because of those in whom they do bear that fruit that will attract and feed others in an exponential fashion. In the kingdom's economy, some 30, some 60, some 100 times over.